so excited. I just got my Love shampoo package in the mail. I ordered it during the Black Friday sales, so I'm pretty sure I got like 30% off. This comes in the package. It says, "Dear Muse, we're here to empower you to experience a true love relationship with your hair, with your choices, and with yourself. Our products are designed for women who choose to never settle for mediocrity. We get it. You need products that can keep up with your high standards, and we're here to deliver. Blah, blah, blah." Love hair. Woohoo! I bought their, it's not focusing. I bought their coconut oil, I want to say last year, but in the process of moving, the glass container broke. Oh, and this is nice too. It's like compost paper basically, so it's all recyclable. It's the package. So I got the dry shampoo and I got the shampoo and conditioner, so we'll see how this works. It's really pretty. The little lid is like rose gold. Wonder what it smells like. Has a protective seal on the inside, so if yours isn't sealed, then it should be. Take that off. Oh, it smells good. What does this smell like? Sorry for my hair. My classic mom bun is in effect. I don't know. Coconutty, but also like leafy. Oh, that's what it is. It has like tangerine in it. It's got a little like citrus smell. I wonder if this one is sealed too. Yep. Ooh, this one smells good. It smells like orange cream soda. Ooh, yeah. Oh, because that's vanilla and orange. Okay, so I don't feel like my hair is greasy enough to use this volumizing shampoo, dry shampoo yet. Maybe tomorrow, and then I'll tell you how it goes. Okay, bye. I forgot to say that I ordered this shampoo because I have really sensitive scalp. I'm constantly dealing with it being too dry or just flaking everywhere, and I just noticed the other day the shampoo that I'm currently using is like not the most organic or probably like best for your body, but I'm using Selsun Blue because my scalp was so dry before that I just didn't know what to do. And then I'm using this Tresemme conditioner, which is also not the best. And I have really like dry ends just from like bleaching blonde and stuff, and I use this macadamia nut oil stuff for the ends to try to moisturize them more. But I notice every time I use that, which I have to use it at least once a week, that like my shoulders and the back of my neck like break out, and I know it can't just be like regular like me creating acne. I think it's from the shampoo and the conditioner I use, because I use organic, or not organic, but I use soap from Lush that's all like, you know, vegan and good for you. So my only other issue with my skin stuff has to be coming from my shampoo, so that's also why I ordered this. And Cameron has like sensitive skin as well, so I was kind of worried it was gonna be too perfumey, but because it smells really citrusy, like orange and stuff, I'm gonna have him start using that too and see how it works for him, because he also has very sensitive skin. So hopefully it works for the both of us. Hi everybody, welcome back. So it's been about 2 weeks, I want to say, since I started using the Love Hair shampoo. I know I have a lot of makeup on from between the last clip and this one, so I did just film a makeup tutorial, so if you want to watch that, it will be linked somewhere, or it should be up before this one is, or after. I don't know. I just don't know. The holidays are coming. It makes everybody weird, I don't know. But here's shampoo. I absolutely love this shampoo. It's totally worth the $40. My scalp is not itching anymore like it did before, which is the reason why I was using the Selsun Blue shampoo. It just feels healthier. It's, for some reason, gone a lot more curlier than it was before, which my hair always does this in like humid-esque weather, so like when there's a lot of moisture in the air. So I think this is like how my hair likes to live, but because it's always like dry and not moisturized from shitty shampoos, it never ever does this. In the past 2 weeks, this is like how it's basically always looked. It's way less frizzy than it used to be, and it just feels healthier. Like I don't have to do those deep conditioning macadamia nut mask things anymore for the bottom of my hair. I mean, my hair is still, like, I definitely need a haircut, but it feels just so much better. And I've had Cameron use the shampoo and conditioner too, and his hair has become a lot less coarse and dry, and it feels a lot more moisturized. He obviously doesn't have like curly long hair like me, so it's not like as drastic of a change, but I've been having him use it as well, and we both love it. And I also love the smell of it, that it's not like too flowery. It's very like orange with vanilla. And then I've used the dry shampoo too, and it actually comes out white. It's a white powder, but it absorbs so well. I mean, my hair at the roots is black basically, and once you kind of work it in, there's no gray cast, there's no white cast, there's no anything. It doesn't even like smell like that weird like talky powdery kind of smell. It smells so good, and it works really well too. So I shampooed, then I used this, then I shampooed again, then I used this again, then I shampooed. So I've used it a while, or a lot, enough to know that I like it, and I'm going to continue buying that shampoo specifically. And I need to re-get the coconut oil that I used to have that I didn't run out, it broke and then leaked everywhere, so I need to buy some more of that. But anyway, I absolutely love this Love Hair. If you guys want to check it out, I'll have a link to the Love Hair below. This is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money, obviously. And yeah, thank you, Mimi. She's the creator of this hairline. It's vegan, cruelty-free. I believe all of like the ingredients are organic. There's no weird anything in here. And yeah, it's really hard to find products like that these days. So I really appreciate it, and it works really well. And my hair is just like living its best curly life, and I love it. So hi everybody. So it's been a really long time since I did an update on my Love Hair products. I'm still using the shampoo and the conditioner, and so is Cameron. And I've also used the dry shampoo multiple times. I still love everything the same way when I first tried it out, or the same amount as when I first tried it out. Cameron and I have both been using the shampoo since I received it, which was Black Friday, and now it's February, so it's been 3 months, and I think we're only about halfway down each bottle. He shampoos and conditions his hair every day. I do like 2 or 3 times a week. So just in case you guys are wondering like how long it's been lasting, but I really love it. I think it's a really good purchase if you guys are interested in like a vegan, cruelty-free, all-natural like shampoo and conditioner. I have tried the shampoos and conditioners at Lush, and they're okay. I mean, they're like not my favorite. I really like, I don't know if it's just like a pattern or something, but I need to have my shampoo like lather, like soapy and bubbles and stuff. And I don't feel like the Lush shampoos do that. But I do love Lush. We actually just went to Lush and stocked up on a bunch of stuff, so I plan on making a video about that. But yeah, I just wanted to come here a couple months later and still say I'm fully enjoying the product. This is not sponsored in any way, but love hair. If you'd like to sponsor me, I would be so happy. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. So yeah, and I'll see you on our next video, and bye. Love you.